So using this toChar function, we can extract part of the dates and also use it to display the dates in different formats. Okay, then so so to this toChar function, you pass the date and also pass format. In Oracle, how the dates are stored DD, MON, YY. But now when you run this, dates are displayed in DD, YY, month, day, year. Okay, next. So from date, I want only the year part. If you want only the year part, you have to say toChar YYY, date, comma, YYY. So what this expression returns? This expression returns only year. And you want month part, then toChar date, comma, returns only month. YY returns only year. DY returns what? Day of the week. Sunday na, Monday na, Tuesday na, Wednesday na, like this. So I want to see the employees joined on Sunday. That means the day should be Sunday. From date, get the day of the week. If the day of the week equal to Sunday, then display. Yes or no? How to get the day of the week from date? There are three formats available. One is DAY, DY, D. What is DAY returns? Full name, Sunday. What is DY returns? First three characters. D returns what? Number 1. D returns number, day of the week number. What is the day of the week number is for Sunday? It is what? 1. So if I use D here, then what I have to write here? 1. So 1. That means Sunday. If I use DY, then what I have to write here? SUN. If I use format DAY, what I have to write? Sunday. Okay. So it's up to you. Whichever you want, you can use. But what user wants is, user want to see the employees joined on Sunday. So I'm using DY, then Sun. Next. And I want to see the employees joined in January, April, December months. Then toChar date. From date, get the month part. How to get the month part? Equals to returns month number or month name. Month number. Then here also you have to give the month number. So January, April, December. 1 means what? January. 4 means April. 12 means December. Here one value now, multiple values. Multiple values. Then which operator we use? In operator. So we use in operator. Next, another one, joined in leap year. Joined in leap year. So then what is leap year condition is, divide the year with what? 4. Remainder is what? 0. Then first, like how to get the year? This will return what? Year. So divide this year with what? 4. Check the remainder. Equal to 0. Okay. Then in all these examples, what is useful is toChar function is useful. Okay. Next, we'll write one more. Suppose, for example, display. Okay. Then, for example, so like so display what? Employees. Display the employees joined in. Okay. Then second quarter of 1981 year. Display the employees joined in second quarter of 1981. Okay. Display employees joined in second quarter of 1981. Then let's see this. How? employee joined in second quarter of 1981. Then select what star? Select star from EMP where what? Select star from EMP where what? I'm not asking all. I'm asking only the employee joined in second quarter of 1981. Then once again, see, year should be equals to 1981 and quarter should be equals to 2. Year should be 81, quarter should be 2. Then tell me how to get the year. Year should be 81. How to get the year? 2 care, boss. 2 care, then high date. 2 care what? High date. Then
year y
high date, comma y equals to 1981. So year equals to 1981. Next one more, quarter equals to 2. How to get the quarter from high dates? So 2 underscore char high date comma q equals to 2. What is the format to exact quarter? Q will return the quarter, y returns what? Year equals to 81, quarter equals to 2. Okay, so if both conditions are true, means employee joined in second quarter of 1981. Yes or no? Okay, then so let's execute this query. Then so see this, there are 3 employees: April, May, June. April, May, June. April, May, June is second quarter or not? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, then then next. Here, how many conditions you are writing? 2 conditions. One is for year, one is for quarter. And we can do this in single condition. We can do this with single condition. How? Where 2 care of what? I did YYYQ. YYYQ. YYY returns year. Q returns quarter. You write that both. What that is? 1981 2. 1981 2. What is 1981? Year. What is this 2? Quarter. Then instead of writing 2 separate conditions, we can do with single condition like this. Okay, now you want to test, you can test this. Then what? So select what star from EMP. Next one, where? Same output or not? Yes. So this will return both year and quarter. Okay, na? So instead of writing two separate conditions, we can do with single condition. Sir, got it? Then next. Okay. Sir, 1 second. Understood now? 2 char. Next. One problem that most of the developers encounters in real time. Okay. One problem that most of the developers encounters in real time. That is, in Oracle, every date is stored with time. In Oracle, every date is stored with what? Time also. Along with date, Oracle stores time also. But if you say select sysdate from dual, it will show only date, but it will not show the time. Actually, it is stored what? It stores time also, but in displaying, it displays only the date, but it will not show the time. You got my point? Okay, na? Every date is stored with time, but by default it displays only the date. But you want to see the date and time. You want to see the date and time. Like I'll ask, for example, display current what's that? Date and time. Then I want to see the both date and time. Then by default it is showing only the date now, but you want to see the date and time. If you want to see the date and time, then you have to write something like this. Select what? You have to use what's that? 2 char. 2 char. Then from which date? System date. What is the time? System date. What the time is? Just give the, like you want to show the time also. Yes or no? You want to show the date and time. So date in which format you want to show? In which format you want to show the date? Like suppose for example DD, MM, YYY. Next one, space, I want time. Then HH, colon, MI, colon, SS. I want to show the AMR, PMR. Then suppose I am giving what's that? AM. If you say AM means it will not show AM. It shows according to the time, not according to the format. Format it can be anything. You can give any format, AM or PM. But if the time is AM time, then it will show AM. If the time is PM time, then it will show PM. Then from what? Dual. So what it is showing is, this command will show both date and time. Okay, na? Date is 25th January 2023. What the time is? 2:28:37. Now the time is what's that? PM time. So what this command is showing? This command is showing both date and time. Okay? But by default it will show only the date. But now this will show both date and time.
Recording in progress.
Once again. Just try to understand why 2 char is, why I am applying 2 char. Here, why I am applying the 2 char? Because simply if you say sysdate, then it will show only date. If you say sysdate means it will show only the date. But I want to see the date and time. then you have to tell Oracle display the date and time. How to tell Oracle? Apply toChar, specify the format. I'm asking Oracle to display the system date in this format. Okay, na? Understood? Then even hide date also stores what? Even in hide date also contains what?
टाइम के साथ
Date and time. Even hide date also contains date and time. One second. So let's see. Just listen this enough. So select what? E name. Next one. I want to see the date and time. Just if you say hide date, it will show only the date, na? But it also contains time. I want to see that time. Then toChar, hide date. Then DD, MM, YYY. Next one. Hours, minutes, seconds. Next one. AM. Then from EMP. Then so 17th December 1980, 20th Feb 1981. So it is showing dates plus what? Time. Sir, what is the time? 12 a.m. Why it is storing 12 a.m.? Once again, sir, what I said, every date is stored with what? Every date is stored with what, sir? Time. Every date is stored with what? Time. If we insert the time, if we give the time, given time is stored. If we don't give the time, then it stores what? 12 a.m. Understood or not understood?
अंडरस्टूड
Sir, at the time of inserting the data into EMP table, user is given only what? Date. He has not given the time. He has given only the date. He has not given the time. If he is not given the time, then what is inserted? 12 a.m. is inserted. Understood or not understood? One second. Listen this. Here, see, I'm inserting a record. Insert into EMP and go E name. Next one, what? Salary. Next one,
हाइड डेट
hide date, values, employee number, employee name, ABC, salary 4,000. I'm giving the hide date. What is the hide date I'm giving? 25th. Next one, Jan. Next one, 23. Are you giving the time or not? Are you giving the time? No. If you don't give the time, then what is stored?
12
12 a.m. is stored. Then one row created. Check. Select what? E name. Next one, salary. Next one, toChar. Then what? Hide date. Then so DD. Next MM. Next YYY. Hours, minutes, seconds. Next one, AM or PM. Next, from what? EMP. Then you see that. So the last one, what is the name? ABC. So what is the today's date? But what is inserted? 12 a.m. is inserted. If you don't give the time, by default, what is inserted? 12 a.m. is inserted. Yes or no? Okay, na? But once again, suppose I'm inserting like this. Insert into EMP, NBO, E name, hide date. Next one, values, some number, some name, XYZ. Some hide date is what? Sys date. Hide date, what is what I given? Sys date. System date is given. Yes or no? One row created. Now just go and see the table. E name. Next one. Again, toChar. What? Hide date. DD, MM, YYY. Hours, minutes, seconds, AM. Next one, from EMP. Now you see that last one, XYZ. Now what is the time it is taken? What is the time it is taken? 2:40. Current time 12 a.m. Current time. It's not taken 12 a.m. Why? Because you are given what? Sys date. If you give sys date, that means what it takes? Current date, current time. Current date and time. It will take current date and current time. But in the previous example, I given only the date. If I give only the date, then it will take what? 12 a.m. But here I am giving system date. If I give system date, it takes what? Current time. Understood? Sir, okay now? Sir, clear or not? Then. So, now, that means in Oracle, every date is stored with what? Every date is stored with what? Time. Every date is stored with time. Next, so today you inserted some rows. How many rows inserted today? 2 rows. What are the 2 rows? One is ABC, another one XYZ. I inserted 2 rows today. Yes? Now, next evening 5 o'clock, I want to prepare a list of employees joined today. Evening 5 o'clock, I want to prepare a list of employees joined today. I want to send that list to my HR manager. I want to prepare a list of employees joined today and send that list to HR manager. Then tell me how to get the list of employees joined today. Query, write a query. What? List of employees joined today. Select star from EMP where hire date equals to sys date. Hire date equal to sys date. So this query should return list of employees joined today. Then and no row selected. This is the problem that most of the developers encounters. Okay, na? So list of employee joined today. First listen. Then you return query like this. So this query is giving what, sir? No rows. What is the reason? Tell me. What is the reason? Then what is the reason? Sir, here I date equal to system date. Okay. So in table, like you inserted 2 rows. Today you inserted 2 rows. What that is? One is 25th. What is Jan? Next one 23. What is the time? What is the time? One is what, sir? 12 a.m. One is 12 a.m. Next one. And you are comparing this with what? System date. What is the system date? 25th Jan. 25th Jan. 23. Next one. What is the time? 2 o'clock. Next one. 38. Next one. 20. Like this. Understood? So that means here, sir, if you write query like this, Oracle not only compare the date, it also compares what, sir? Time. Sir, date is matching, but time is not matching. That's why condition true or false. False. There are 2 employees joined today, but even though 2 employees joined today, so it is not selecting that because it is not only comparing the date, it is comparing the time. So what the current date is? This one 12 a.m. 12 a.m. is not equal to 2 o'clock 38. Here what this is? 2:34 is not equal to 2:38. Condition false now. That's why selected or not selected? Not selected. Okay. Then so equal to comparison with system date always fails. Equal to comparison with always system date. What's it? Equal to comparison with system date always fails because Oracle not only compare the date, it also compares what's her time. How to overcome this problem? So I don't want to consider what's her time. I want to consider only the date. I don't want to consider the time. Ignore the time. Consider only the date. Then what you have to do? You can write like this. Once again, select star from EMP where then from date. From date, exact only the date. From date, exact only the date. How to exact only the date? 2_char. Then date. Then what? DD, MM, yy. dd dot mm dot yy. Next, equal to what? Equal to, from system date also exact only the date. System date also contains date and time, na? Exact only the date from system date. How to exact the date from system date? Again, toCat sysdate, then what? dd mm yy. Okay, then so both sides, what I am exacting, both sides what I am exacting, only the date. Now it will not compare the time, it will compare only the date. Now let me run this query, execute this query. Then so like there are 2 employees joined today. So one is 25th Jan 23, 25th Jan 23. Even though they are joined in at 2 different times, but still it is selected or not? Yes. Because it's not comparing time, now it's comparing only the date. What is the important point here? Then okay. What is that is, sir? Equal to comparison with sysdate, equal to comparison of system date always fails, because Oracle not only compares what, because Oracle not only compares a date, and it also compares what? It also compares what, sir? Time. Then example, this is the example. One second, let me insert into emp envo ename salary height date values. I'm inserting a record, something 444, name is abc, 4000, height date is what, sir? What is the height date you give? System date. Even if you give system date, otherwise what? Like 25th. If you give system date, what time is stored? Current time is stored. If you give like this, 25th Jan 23, what time is stored? 12 a.m. If you give sysdate, current time is stored. If you give 25th January 23, what is stored? 12 a.m. is stored. Because you are giving only the date, you are not giving the time. Then next, then after inserting one row created, next, what is my next one? Display list of employees joined today. Oh. Okay. Then next, like to overcome this problem, okay, to overcome this problem, apply to-char function on what? Both sides. Apply to-char function on both sides. And take only the date, don't take time. Take only the dates. So take only the date, don't take time. Okay, na? That's all. So both sides extracting only the date. Now Oracle compares only the date. It will not compare what time. Okay, that's all. So this is to-char function. Okay, throughout this quotes, whenever you want, I'll ask how to get the year part, how to get the day, how to get to-char function. Next. What the next one is? Displaying what? Numbers, sorry, converting number to character type. What is the previous one? What is the previous one? Converting date to character type. Converting date to character type. Yes. Now we'll see converting number to character type. Okay. Numbers. I want to convert number to character type. So then again, why you convert number to character type? Why you convert number to character type? Why dates are converted to character type? Why dates are converted to character type? That's what I given as first statement. What is the first statement? Dates converted to character type to display dates in what? Different formats. Yes or no? Why you convert dates to character means to display the dates in different formats. Similarly, why numbers are converted to character type? To display numbers in what? Different formats. So numbers converted to character type to display numbers in different formats. Numbers converted to character type to display numbers in different formats. Okay, then. What is the function? Read it, you'll get the answer. Number 2 char. What function? 2 char. First one is number, next one is format. First one is number, next one is format. Previous examples, first one is date, next one is format. Here first one is number, next one is format. But date formats are different, number formats are different. Date formats means YYY, MM, DD, DAY, like that. Number formats are different. What are the number formats? What are the number formats? Okay, then. So one format is 9. One format is 9. What is a 9? 9 represents a what? Digit. One format is 9. 9 represents a digit. Next one, 0. 0 also what? Represents a digit. Next. Next one. So 9 represents a digit. 0 also represents a digit. What is next one? Next one, what's that? Next, G. G means group. Groups, 1000 separator. Okay, G means 1000 separator. D. D means decimal separator. Next, L. L means currency symbol. C. C means currency. That's only this. But dates we have number of. In dates there are number of formats, but in numbers only few, 6. Then what is 9 means? 9 means what? Digit. 0 means digit. G means 1000 separator. D means decimal separator. L means currency symbol. C means currency. Okay, then now let's see. Suppose first listen. 2 char example. 2 char. I'm taking a number 1, 2, 3, 4. Any number you can take. I'm taking 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then first one is number, next one is format. Format I am giving 5 nines. Format I am giving 5 nines. What is 9 means? 9 represents a digit. 1 9 represents 1 digit. I given 5 nines. That means 5 digits. That means you are asking Oracle, display 1, 2, 3, 4 in this format. Display 1, 2, 3, 4 in this format. Okay, na? Actual number contains 4 digits, but format contains 5 digits. What the output is 1, 2, 3, 4 only. Output is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, na? Even though you give 5 digits, but still it will show 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again, just see. Suppose 2 char 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose if I give 6 nines, 1, 2, 3, 4. 7 nines, 1, 2, 3, 4. I am using 0. Format is 0. I am using format 0. 0 also what? Represents a digit. 9 represents a digit. 0 also represents a digit. But there is a small difference between 9 and 0. What the difference is? So your actual number contains how many digits? 4 digits. But format contains how many? 5 digits. Then what the output is? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the difference between 9 and 0. In case of 9, extra digits are not filled with 0. In case of 0, extra digits are filled with what? 0. You want to show the number like this, every number. You want to show the number with 5 digits, then compulsory use what, sir? 0. So the leading digits are filled with what? 0. Okay. Then I give 6 zeros. Then 2 care 1, 2, 3, 4. I give 6 zeros. I give 6 zeros. Then next one 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I give 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. I give 6 zeros. Then what the output is? 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Understood? Right. So the actual number contains 4, but format contains 6 digits. So the leading 2 digits are filled with what? 0. That's all. Sometimes users want like this, then use 0 format. Sometimes user want like this, use 9 format. Understood? Then if you give 1, 0, no? Less than. If you give less than, that means it will show it is wrong, no? Yes or no? Then once again, let's see 2 care. It will show some garbage value like 1, 2, 3, 4. Next one, suppose I am giving 5 zeros. Then I am giving what, sir? 5 zeros. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose 2 care 1, 2, 3, 4. I am giving 6 zeros. Then what this gives? 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose 2 care 1, 2, 3, 4. I am giving 2, 3 zeros. But actual number contains how many? 4 digits. But format contains how many digits? 3 digits. Then it will show like this. Garbage something. Because invalid, na? Yes or no? Then then if I give like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 zeros, what are the outputs? Then it will show like this. Okay, na? Number of digits are less, na? Less than the actual number. Then you'll get the output like this. Next. Next. Suppose 2 cat 1, 2, 3, 4, comma, then comma 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. G 999. Then what are the outputs? 1, 2, 3, 4 is displayed in this format. What the output is? 1, 2, 3, 4. What is G? 1000 separator. What is the 1000 separator? Comma. The default 1000 separator is what? Comma. The default 1000 separator is comma. 1, 2, 3, 4. Understood? Then. Okay, then. If I give 99G999, then 99G999, 99G999. I'll give like this 99G999. Then what you are learning, boss? Same 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sir, extra digit is there or not there? Not there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll give 0, 0, G, 0, 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Understood? Then next 2 char 1, 2, 3, 4 9 9 G 999 D 99. What is D? Decimal separator. Now tell me what? What? 1, 2, 3, 4 dot 0, 0. Decimal part is there or not there? You're not there, but it is displayed with decimal part because you said D99. So then D means decimal separator. What is the decimal separator? Dot. Then 0, 0. Decimal part is there or not there, boss? Not there. That's why it will show dot 0, 0. Okay. This number is displayed in this format. Okay. Then next 2 char 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 L 9G 999. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 L 9G 999. Then what? L means what? Currency symbol. What is the currency symbol? Dollar. Currency symbol is dollar. Dollar. Then the default currency symbol is dollar. Dollar what? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, L means currency symbol. Default currency symbol is dollar because you said G na comma. Then next one 2 char 1, 2, 3, 4 C 9G 999. Then what? 9G 999. Then what? C means what? Currency. Dollar is currency symbol, boss, not currency. L means dollar. C means not dollar. Currency. What is the currency? US currency. Default is US currency. What is the US currency? Don't say dollar, boss. Please. US currency is not dollar. US currency symbol is dollar. Huh? If I ask you, like, suppose, then be clear. If I ask you what is Indian currency means, don't say this. Don't say this. This is not Indian currency. It is currency symbol. What the Indian currency is? INR. Indian currency is INR. Okay, na? So USD 1,234. Okay, USD 1,234. What is that? USD is currency. Currency is USD. Currency symbol is dollar. Our currency is INR. Okay, then now. So this is what this is? Number format. That means using this we are displaying the numbers in different formats or not? Yes. Now, like one example, I'll ask display employee name and what? Salary. Display name and salary. And display salaries with what? Salaries with what? Salaries with what? 1,000 separators and what? Currency symbol. I want to display salaries with 1,000 separator and currency symbol. Oh. Wait. Okay, that. Now tell me the query for this. What? Select what? E-name. Then salary. But you need to show this. Salary should be displayed like this. Then what? To char salary, comma, salary. In to-char function, first one is number. Where the salaries are there? Salary column. Salary column contains salaries, numbers. But I want to show the salaries with what? 1,000 separator, currency symbol. Then tell me what? L. Next. 9. Next. G. 999. As salary from EMP. Okay, then every employee's salary is displayed with currency symbol and 1,000 separator. The first employee is Smith. Smith's salary is 800. Smith's salary is 800. Tell me how it is displayed. Smith's salary is 800. How it displays? Dollar what? 800. Allen's salary is 1,600. Dollar 1,600. Dollar 1,600. Here 1,000 is there or not there? Not there. Then it will not show comma. Here 1,000 is there. Then it will show 1,000 separator. So this is all where it is useful. No. Okay. Done. Now let's see this here. Now every employee's salary is displayed with what? Currency symbol plus 1000 separators. Yes or no? Okay, na? Then. Understood? Now. But suppose assume these values are not American dollars. They are Indian rupees. They are not American dollars. They are Indian rupees. Then you want to show with what? Indian currency. Now, if I use C, then let's say C. I'm using C. Then if I use C, then what it will show? US dollar. Okay? Then. But I want to show Indian currency. Okay, na? I want to change the currency. If you want to change the currency, then before executing the query, you have to execute this command. Just listen. Alter, okay, session set what? NLS territory equals to what? India. Listen. Alter session set NLS territory equals to India. Now, actually by default, Oracle thinks that these queries are executed in America. Oracle is thinking that all these queries are executed in what? America. But now you set the territory to what? India. Now Oracle thinks that these queries are executed in India. Then, now run the query. E-name, what do you want to show? 2 char salary C 9G 999 as salary from EMP. Now what it is showing? INR. It's not showing American currency, it is showing Indian currency. Then what the question is, how to change currency? How to change the currency? To change the currency, you have to execute this command. What is that command? Alter session set NLS territory equals to India. Alter session set NLS territory equals to India. Territory means place. Territory means what? Place, location, place. So place is changed to what? India. Territory is changed to India. Then now you have to run the same query. Query same. You have to run the same query. What is that query? C. Then same query you have to run. Sir, query remains same. Query is not changed. Before executing the query, execute this command. Now it will show what? Now it will show what, sir? Indian currency. Smith. Then what? INR. What? 800. Next one. Allen. INR. 1 comma 600. Now it will show Indian currency. Okay. Then. NLS means, what is NLS stands for? NLS stands for National Language Specification. NLS stands for National Language Specification. Okay now? No. If I use L, I'm using L. Then I'm using L. Symbol of currency symbol. Just see currency symbol. Not showing. Why? Oracle doesn't support that symbol. So different symbols will be there, boss, but it will not support all the symbols. Understood now? Then. So then it is not showing the symbol. It doesn't support the symbol. It supports what? It supports what, sir? Okay, na? Currencies. It supports currencies, but symbols it won't. Not all. Okay. Then suppose alter session set NLS. What? Just listen. What? Japan. So next to select what? For example, e-name. Next one, TOCAD, salary. Next. Next one, C, 9G, 999 as salary from EMP. Then it is showing currency. What is the Japan currency is? JPY. Japan. JPY means Japan N. Japan what's that? N. Japan N. Okay? Then. Understood na? Japan N. Now, currency symbol. I'm using L. Currency symbol. But this is not the symbol. It's not the symbol. So it's not, because it's not supporting all the symbols. Okay? Then. Understood? Then. Okay. Now. So this is what? Number formats. What is this is? Number formats. Next one. Converting character to what? Converting character to date. Converting character to date. Then which function? Which function? To date. Which function we use? To date. Sir, character means what? Character means not ABC, XYZ. ABC cannot be converted to date. XYZ cannot be converted to date. How can you convert ABC to date? Can we convert ABC to date? No. Understood or not? Naresh Technologies is there. Can you convert Naresh Technologies to date? No. Okay, na? Here, character means this. This is called character. What is that is? 12th Jan, 25th, whatever, some date. 25th Jan 23. This is called character. Character means date in single quotes. A date in single quotes is called character. Sir, anything in single quotes is called character. Okay, this is called character. Understood? That. So next one. Otherwise, this is also like what is 01? Next one 25th. Next one 23. 01, 25th, 23. So this is called character. Sir, what is this is? All these are what, sir? Date in single quotes. This is what? Date in single quotes. This is also date in single quotes. All these are examples for 2023 01. Next one 25. Like. So all these are date strings. You call this as what? Date string. This is date string. Date string means date in single quotes. Date in single quotes. This is date string. This is date string. This is date string. So you want to convert date string to date. If you want to convert the date string to date, then which function we use? ToDate. Okay, then. So, what the function is? ToDate. What the first argument? Like, what do you want to convert? Character. Okay, na? Then character, string or character. Next one. What the next one is? Format. All this, like next part, second argument is format. I want to convert character to date. Character means don't think that ABC, XYZ, KLM, because we cannot convert that characters to date. So these are the character means here date string. Here character means what? Date string. So I want to convert this date string to date. Then why you want to convert? Why you want to convert? Example, what the need? Okay, then then so like for example, just see, I'm writing a query like this. What that is? Select sysdate dual. Select sysdate plus 100 from dual. Then tell me, what is the meaning of this? Okay, let it be 10. Sysdate plus 10. What? To the system date, what? Days. 10 days are added. To the system date, 10 days are added. Okay, now? After adding 10, what you will get? Today is 25th. 25th plus 10. 25th plus 10. Then what? What you will get? 23rd. Once again, alter what? Session set what's that? NLS territory equals to what? America. Reset the territory to America. Okay, na? Then, now let me run this to the system date. How many days are added? 10 days. After adding 10 days, what is the date you will get? 4th February 23. Okay, na? Now, so this query is executed what? Successfully. What it returns is 4th Feb 23. But listen, not to the system date. Not to the system date. You are adding 10 days to the system date. But not to the system date. I want to add 100 days to some date. One date is there. I want to add 100 days to that date. What the date is? Suppose 20th April 23. I want to add 100 days. I want to add 100 days to 20th April 23. I am giving like this. Then what this query gives? So, sir, previous one, you are adding 10 days to the system date. Then it is given 4th Feb. Now, not to the system date. I want to add 100 days to 20th April. Then let me run this query. This query, what this query gives? This query gives what, sir? Error. This query gives error. Okay, na? Why this query gives error? Why this query gives error? Listen, in Oracle, sir, number plus number is what? Valid. In Oracle, date plus number is what, sir? Valid. But string plus number is what? Invalid. In Oracle, number plus number is valid. Date plus number is also valid. But string plus number is what? Invalid. Sir, what is sysdate plus 10? What is sysdate plus 10? Date plus what? Number. Sysdate plus 10 is date plus number. Date plus number is what? Valid. But what is this is? This is date plus number? No. What is this is? String. Something in single quotes means it is string. So string plus number. String plus number is what? Invalid. That's why what it is giving? Invalid number. So this gives error. Got it? So this is string, and the string plus number is what? Invalid. Then it gives what, sir? Error. Okay. Now, then, I want to do this calculation then. But Oracle is giving error, na? But I want to do this calculation. Okay, then if you want to do this calculation, tell me what you have to do. This is string, na? This string should be converted to date. Convert the string to date. Okay, then. So how to convert the string to date? To date. So select what? To date. Then 20 April 23. 20 April 23. But this is string, now. You have to tell Oracle what is 20, what is APR, what is 23. Then you tell Oracle what is 20 DD, what is APR, MON, what is 23 YY. Now Oracle understand that 20 is what? Day, APR is month, 23 is what, sir? Year. Now Oracle convert this 20 April 23 to date. Now date plus what? 100. Now it will work. Yes or no? Yes, because date plus number is valid or invalid? Valid. So we are converting that string to date. Now, so let me run this query. Then, so this query gives 29th July 23. After adding 100 days to, then what the output? What the output is? 29th July 23. 100 days are added. Okay. Understood? So when to date is required, okay, then in case of two char bus, what is the input? What is the input? Input is what? Date. What is the output? Input is date, output is character, two char. But in case of to date, what is the input? Input is character. What is the output you'll get? Date. Input is character, output is date. Now I'll ask, calculate this one. Calculate this. Then what is this is? So 0 first or okay. 10th. Next one. 10th, 15, 23 plus 200. Like add 200 days. 1 second. Like 1 second. Add what's that? 200 days to, then I want to write a query for this. Add 200 days to October 15th, 23. What is 10 is? October. What is 15 is? Day. What is 23 is? Year. Then, now tell me. select what to date, then, sir, actually like this. Once again, 10, next one, 15, next one, 23 plus 200. But this gives error, na? Because what this is? What this is? String. String plus number is invalid. Then this gives error. Then convert this string to date. How to convert string to date? To date. Apply to date. Then 2 underscore date. Then 2 underscore date in single quotes. What? Single quotes. What? Next one. DD. Next one. YY. DD, YY. Okay, then. So, that's 10, 15, 23. What is this command gives? This command gives what's her error. Okay, then. So, 2nd May 24. You have to tell Oracle what is 10, what is 15, what is 23. Otherwise, how Oracle knows 10 is month, 15 is day? Okay, na? Then you have to tell Oracle. Next. Okay, na? Then. Suppose here one question is like this. Then now display on which day India got independence. Write the query to display on which day India got independence. Write a query to display which day India got independence. Day. Day means Sunday na, Monday na, Tuesday na, like this. Okay. Tell me what. So, how do you know today's day? Today is Sunday na Monday. If you can able to write that, you can able to write this. Today's, I want to find out today's day of the week. You know already. But select today is Sunday na, Monday na, Tuesday na, like you want to find out that. Then to char sysdate day from what dual. What this gives? Today's day of the week. Today is Sunday na Monday. So today is what? Wednesday. But he's not asking today. He's asking what? Independence Day. Instead of system date, what do you have to pass? Instead of system date, what do you have to pass? Independence date. Pass independence date. Then what? In single quotes, what? 15th August 1947. 15th August 1947. Then So run this query. It is giving error. Sir, once again, that's all, boss. Be clear. To_char function. For to_char function, what is the input? To_char function takes only the date. But here, what you are passing to the to_char function? This is the date? No, this is not date. This is what? String. This is string. Then convert this string to what? Date. How to convert string to date? To_date. Then you tell Oracle what is 15. You tell Oracle what is 15. 15 is what? DD. What is AUG? MON. What is 1947? YYY. Now Oracle understand that 15 is day, AUG is month, 1947 is what? Day. Now this whole 15th August 1947 is converted to what? Date. Converted to date. From that date you are asking what? Day. So this is converted. Actually, directly can pass. But what is the problem? If you pass like this, 15th August 1947, the problem is what? So to_char function takes what, sir? Date. But you are passing what? String. That's why it gives error. Then convert the string to date. How to convert the string to date? By using to_date. Okay. Then run this query. What is that is? Friday. So in this example, I'm using both what? I'm using both to_char and to_date. Okay then. So we'll continue this tomorrow. Why? What you do, you don't do anything now. Then